Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Toyota Supra in Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012. Start by locating the Supra spawn near industrial zones and scout escape routes before engaging police. Chase down bounty events and accumulate REP through clean driving and aggressive takedowns. Prioritize blacklist races that unlock new rewards and follow mission prompts closely. Save often and avoid needless heat. Start by focusing on the exact blacklist races tied to rewards and replay them for consistent REP gains. Use bounty events and speed trap runs to spike your REP quickly while conserving resources. When police heat rises, use planned escape routes and safe houses to lower pursuit meters without losing progress. Track progress in the garage and confirm unlock requirements before attempting the final claim so you avoid wasted runs and frustration. Upgrade a reliable daily driver to maximize REP returns and keep race times tight while you grind. Learn shortcut lanes and traffic patterns that let you slip past police and reach objectives faster with minimal damage. Participate in any timed events and cooperative modes to speed progress and take advantage of bonus payouts. Keep spare cash for repairs and parts so you can rebound from setbacks and maintain momentum toward the Supra.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.